Good morning. Today is Monday, November 20th, 2017. My name is Ryan Faust, and I'm going to give you guys a quick update from CryptoVice on what's happening in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets in general. First thing I want to touch on, obviously, is going to be the price. Pulling the price from coinmarketcap.com. Right now, it's showing an average across many different exchanges of about $8,270 for a price of a Bitcoin. What an amazing day. Should go up forever, we hope. Look for the correction. I'm obviously not going to tell you good time to buy or not. You guys know what to do with your own money better than I do. But honestly, I always think it's a good time to buy Bitcoin. The next story I want to touch on briefly, besides the price, is the fact that Ron Paul is actually now endorsing a cryptocurrency or Bitcoin-backed IRA. So I don't know what you guys think of Ron Paul politically, personally, whatever. To me, he's one of my biggest heroes out there. I think that when it comes to Austrian economics, he is one of the most forward-thinking individuals there have been for a very long time. So the fact that he's coming out to endorse a Bitcoin IRA is a big deal. I know in the past, I was a little disappointed. This was months ago, but I think he was skeptical initially with Bitcoin because of the nature of the blockchain, right? It gives the authorities the ability to track everything that's done. Which is so funny because it's one of people that don't understand Bitcoin and the technology. They always think this is for bad guys, but really, with the time and resources, things can be tracked on the blockchain infinitely better than they can be with something like cash. So to hear him come out in support of this in lieu of some of those, I don't know what you call them, negatives, is a really big deal for me. We'll see where this goes. Next thing I wanted to touch on was these CME Futures Contracts. Let me pause that video for just a second. You guys can watch that on your own time. But here's what I want to say about this. So I think it's a good thing. I think it's bringing a lot of publicity to Bitcoin. Hopefully some of that institutional money starts coming into the market and we see what really happens to the price when that occurs. Personally, though, I think some people are going to be caught off guard by this. I think it makes it obviously easy for somebody to buy what they think is Bitcoin through a broker or a more traditional means of investment. But keep in mind, they're not buying Bitcoin. They're buying a piece of paper the same way that when you buy a piece of paper for gold or silver or whatever, you're not actually holding the physical commodity. In this case, you're not holding your private keys, so you don't own it. They're not trying to make anybody believe that you are owning it, but I think that's something that people in the market are going to have a hard time with. So if you're going to invest in Bitcoin, take the extra step, work just a little bit harder, and make sure you're actually buying Bitcoin and controlling those private keys. Last thing I'll touch on this video is search volume. I'm going to actually do a whole video on this. I had heard something about this a few weeks ago, so I thought I'd try it out myself. But the tool that you're looking at is Google's Keyword Planner. It gives people the ability to go in and say, hey, in different parts of the world or in different languages, what are people actually searching for on Google on a monthly basis? So the way it works is right now I have my location set to the whole world. So we want to know across the whole world in English speaking right now. So this is not even the whole picture, but English searches across the whole world. How many people are typing in things like Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin or gold or buy gold or silver or buy silver? So I want to show you what I found. And I was, to be honest with you, completely shocked by this. So keep in mind, it is a rolling 12-month average, which honestly should make this look better for gold and silver as Bitcoin's really, starting to gain traction now and in the past few months. But the searches are unbelievable. So look at this: 6,120,000 searches on average every month on Google and its search partners for the phrase Bitcoin. Gold, 2,240,000, and silver had just 673,000 searches. Make it a little bit more of a long tail keyword. Buy Bitcoin, 301,000. Buy gold, 60,000. Buy silver, 27,000. This doesn't include any of the crypto keywords that you might search for. Buy cryptocurrency, crypto. That's a small sample. I will make a video on this a little bit more in depth. I thought it was amazing. I can't believe that that Bitcoin related searches are outperforming gold and silver to that degree on Google. Makes me feel really, really good about everything that we're doing here. Guys, you have any questions at all, reach out to us over at CryptoVice. We'd be happy to help in any way we can. Have a great day.